Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be installing crossover delete on my Vauxhall Meriva VXR. So basically, we'll be taking all this off and leaving that cone filter and put crossover delete on this. So the first thing is we'll be moving that clamp there with a 7mm socket, then move that one over here with a 10mm socket. So we'll move that bolt over there with 7mm, and that bolt over there with a 10mm socket, and this one as well. Yeah, I'll be removing that screw over here where that clamp is and loosen the clamp, and I'll show you the next one is. I loosen that clamp. Next thing is use a 10mm socket and try and loosen that screw there. Once that's loosened, then loosen the clamp here. Then you just, and if you have a standard box, then you have to remove a couple of stuff from that, and sometimes you might need to remove this sensor over here. So it's all fitted in. You put one clamp over there, a clamp over there, there's a clamp over there for the filter, and now we're going to see how it sounds now.